Hello and welcome to Encryption, the tech tips and tutorials channel. Hello everyone, welcome to this Cloudflare tutorial series. In this series, we will learn Cloudflare step by step from basics to real practical use. In today's first video, I'll show you how to create a free Cloudflare account and add a domain. For this demo, I will use the domain swiftpulse.com, which is registered with Namecheap. The best part is Cloudflare has a very powerful free plan, which we will use in this tutorial. To create a Cloudflare account, first open your browser and go to dash.cloudflare.com/login as shown in the screen. Click on sign up, enter your email address, create a password, click on the verify you are human, then sign up. Let's skip this step. Let's get rid of this pop-up as well. The account is created. Cloudflare will send a verification email, so it is very important to verify that email. Let me go to my email inbox. Here you can see action required, verify your email address. Click on this, click on verify your email. Again, let's skip this. That's it. We have signed up to the Cloudflare account. The next thing, let's change the name from encryption for it@gmail.com to something different and sensible. So click on these three dots and click on configurations. Click on change name. Let's do it as encryption for IT. You can give your own favorite name. Now the name is changed. Let's go to the account home again and let's continue adding a domain. I'm going to add swiftpulse.com. Leave the quick scan for DNS records ticked. You may want to disable the instruct AI bot traffic with robots.txt because we don't want to do anything by Cloudflare automatically itself. So then click on the continue button. Select the free plan. This free plan includes DNS, CDN, SSL and basic protection, which is enough for most websites. Cloudflare will now scan existing DNS records for swiftpulse.com. As you can see, this has already scanned the DNS records and listed here. The records include A, MX, NS, TXT. Click on continue to activation. Now Cloudflare will give you two name servers. We need to update these name servers in Namecheap. Here Namecheap is already logged in. Go to domain list. Click manage next to this domain. Scroll to name servers here. Change it from Namecheap basic DNS to custom DNS. Go to the Cloudflare, copy the DNS record, paste here. Also copy another DNS record and paste. Then click on this little tick. Name servers are added successfully, so it will take about 24 hours to fully propagate the DNS. Go back to the Cloudflare and then click on continue. As you can see here, registers take up to 24 hours to process name server changes. Quicker in most cases. They are always quicker, I say, because I have never seen it taking 24 hours in my IT career. Just leave it for now and then click on check name servers now. You can just leave everything here and go to back to domains. As you can see, this is already active, so DNS thing is already done. If I go to the DNS and records, here you can see everything is okay. So the records you might want to review and change as per your need or update as per your requirement. For now, I'm not going to do anything here. I'll teach you in the future tutorial videos. Let's check if everything is okay or not. So to check, If the name server is correctly pointed to the Cloudflare, open dnschecker.org, then type the domain name. Click on this drop down and click on NS. Click on search. As you can see, the name servers are already propagated. So from now, the DNS is managed from Cloudflare. That's it for this video. We have successfully created a free Cloudflare account and added the domain swiftpulse.com using Namecheap. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.